Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into how you can install the Hulu app on your Vizio TV. Whether you're catching up on your favorite shows or enjoying the latest movies, having Hulu on your big screen makes it all better. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Accessing the Vizio SmartCast menu. To begin, grab your Vizio remote. Press the V button to open the SmartCast menu. This menu is your gateway to all the awesome apps Vizio offers. Step 2. Finding the Hulu app. Next, scroll through the apps until you find the Hulu icon. It looks like this. Once you've found it, select the Hulu app by pressing the OK button on your remote. Step 3. Installing the Hulu app. Now, you'll see the option to install the Hulu app. Click on it, and the installation process will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment. But don't worry, we're almost there. Step 4. Launching Hulu and signing in. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the open button. Click it to launch the Hulu app. Now, if you haven't already, sign into your Hulu account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up right here. Conclusion. And there you have it. Installing Hulu on your Vizio TV is as easy as that. Now, kick back, relax, and enjoy your favorite Hulu content on the big screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, let us know in the comments if there are any other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!